Hello, I'm John McNamara. I'm the information architect for IBM Messaging, and I am here today with a couple of legends from Hersley, David Oliver and Steve Upton. Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi guys. So we're here today to talk about something called MQLight, which is a brand new product from IBM. It's designed with a developer in mind to provide really quick and easy messaging. We're going to talk about what MQLight actually is, and then we're going to move on to Steve, who's going to show you the GUIs of MQLight and also introduce you to a great piece of collateral, which is going to help you test out your applications that use messaging. So the first question is then, what is MQLight? Dave, can you take us through that?
Absolutely. So MQLight is a messaging runtime that is designed specifically for application developers to get the developers up and running as quickly as possible, to allow them to create scalable and responsive apps. It contains a UI for monitoring the flow of messages, and Steve has got a great demo that he's going to show us.
Steve, are you able to show us the great demo of the collateral and of the user interface for MQLight as well?
I will switch over that right now. Okay, so can you guys all see an empty MQLight UI in front of you?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the MQLight web UI. There's nothing actually going on in it right now, but we think there's going to be something that, or well, we think it is something that developers are going to be really interested in. What it aims to do is it aims to expose the information that is most useful to an application developer. I'm an application developer myself, and a lot of these features I found really useful. I keep telling people that and they don't believe me, so what I did is I wrote an app, a little MQLight app, really quickly, just to generate some loads, just to show off the MQLight UI, so we can see all the features that it has that are helpful to developers. So I'll just start that now, and this is a really simple little Node application, so I'll just run node app.js. We'll see what we've done is we've just connected a bunch of clients, connected them to some shares and to some topics. And you see already the MQLight UI is filling up. It's filling up with messages that are being sent. We've got clients on the left and the right. So I'll just explain really quickly what's happening. On the left, we have senders. Every client that sends a message ends up here. We can go in, we can see where they're sending messages, how many they've sent in total. We've got an icon showing whether they're online or offline. Over on the right, we've got everything that's receiving a message. We can see the total number of received messages. We can see shares here. I'll get into them in a bit later. If we click on these individual clients, we can filter this list of messages in the center so we can see exactly what's going where. Over here, we have shares. Shares are our concept of shared subscriptions. So maybe you've got work coming from lots of producer apps, but you only want it to be each bit of work to be dealt with by a single client. So here we've got ways of splitting them up without duplicating work. Again, all the information you need right there at a glance. And of course, in the center, if I just clear that filter there, this is all the messages that are currently flying through the system. We can pause that if we want to get more information. We can filter so we can only show undelivered messages. But really the point of this UI, for me at least, is giving you, as a developer, the information you need right at your fingertips. So as a developer, I think we've probably all been there. One of the worst things that can happen is you'll spend ages writing an app, a big complicated app, you press the big red button, and nothing comes out the other end. Now, if you've got a single-threaded app, that's a pain to fix, but it's generally easier than in a messaging case where you've got multiple applications, you've got messages flying around, and you want to know where that message went. So what this aims to do is make that really easy. You can see every single message that goes in the system right here. You can see ones that haven't been delivered, where they've been delivered. We can pause it. We can drill down into individual messages. We can see here we've got one that was sent less than a minute ago. This is the message text. We can see where it was sent. We can see who it was sent to. All of that information right there. And when I've been writing applications with MQLight, I found this so useful. I found it incredibly useful just to know if I mistyped a topic, I can see at a glance. There's no need to go digging through my code. I can see exactly where the message has been left hanging. It's got lots of other features. We can see all the disconnected clients, connected clients. We've got lots of ways of filtering them. Now this app is up on GitHub. It just went up yesterday, so we'd encourage you all to download it, give it a try, let us know what you think. But really, most of all, we'd encourage you just to play around with MQLight. Download it. We've got a Node.js API. We support JMS 1.1, I think, and really start making some apps. Let us know what you think about the web UI, and because really we want to make the best messaging product we can. So if you have feedback, let us know. We've got forums set up, and we will try and improve it. We will try and make it exactly what you all want.
Steve, buddy, that is awesome. I can see all sorts of use of that. I think you've made developers' lives that much easier with your collateral. That's phenomenal, buddy. Thank you so very much. What we'll do now is we'll put all the links into GitHub in the notes for the Hangout. So as soon as you get the blog posting, you'll see exactly what to get to download it, and also to get MQLight from as well. Guys, I would say thank you very much for taking the time to talk today. It's been, as ever, an absolute joy. Take care now. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thanks, Steve.
Yeah.
Bye.